Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my Filipino cooking channel. As restaurants are closed at the moment, I like to recreate my favorite restaurant dishes. Today I'm going to cook a Thai green curry, a Thai seafood green curry. Here are the ingredients of my Thai green curry: seafood cocktail, green curry paste, and coconut milk. Now let's start cooking. Smells so good, I cannot wait to eat it. Let's taste it. Tastes so good. After 10 minutes, my green Thai curry is now ready to enjoy. Wow! Restaurant quality green Thai curry in just 10 minutes. Guys, I hope you enjoy my 10-minute Thai green curry, my Thai seafood green curry. And if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Paalam!